Hello everyone and welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for a childcare assistant job interview. If you are applying for a childcare assistant role, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve this objective, I am sharing with you the top most important childcare assistant job interview questions along with their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring person so you can create your answer by including all those important things that I will teach you in this video. Very quickly, before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. Alright, let's jump in. So, the first important question that you should need to prepare for is, can you explain why you want to work as a childcare assistant? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to understand your motivation for choosing this profession and your passion for working with children. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I have always enjoyed working with children and find it incredibly rewarding to contribute to their growth and development. I believe that working as a childcare assistant will allow me to make a positive impact on young lives and help create a nurturing environment where children can thrive. Question number 2. How would you handle a situation where a child is upset or crying? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your ability to manage challenging situations with empathy and patience. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, if a child is upset or crying, I would first try to understand the cause of their distress by speaking to them in a calm and soothing manner. I would offer comfort and reassurance, perhaps by holding their hand or giving them a hug if appropriate. I would also try to distract them with a favorite toy or activity to help them feel better. Question number 3. How do you ensure the safety and well being of children in your care? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to know how seriously you take your responsibility for the children's safety and how proactive you are in preventing accidents or injuries. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I always keep a close eye on the children, especially during playtime or outdoor activities. I make sure the environment is safe by removing any potential hazards and ensuring that toys and equipment are age appropriate. Additionally, I follow all safety protocols such as checking that gates and doors are securely closed, and I'm always prepared to act quickly in case of an emergency. Question number 4. What would you do if you noticed a child struggling with a particular activity or skill? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your ability to support children's learning and development in a positive way. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, if I noticed a child struggling with an activity, I would first offer them encouragement and praise their efforts. I would then provide guidance or break down the task into smaller, manageable steps to help them understand and succeed. I believe in being patient and supportive, ensuring that the child feels confident and motivated to keep trying. Question number 5. How do you communicate with parents about their child's progress or behavior? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to know how you handle communication with parents, particularly in sharing important information about their child. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I believe it's important to maintain open and honest communication with parents. I would provide them with regular updates on their child's progress, focusing on both their achievements and any areas where they might need additional support. I would also listen to any concerns the parents might have and work together to find the best solutions for their child's well being. So, there you have it, 5 most important childcare assistant job interview questions along with their sample answers. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.